Hello, So Obsessed friends. It's Jen again, and I wanted to hop on and just show you something that's new in the store. We don't have it all, and the release date is supposed to be next week, but I got this a little bit early, so I just kind of wanted to show you to give you the heads up. So I think most of you are aware that we also carry some machine embroidery supplies, and Kimberbell is something that I really like to do. It's just fun, and you can make a lot of fun things. So this is the latest release. It's called Sipping On Sunshine. This is the fabric kit. I have not received the embellishment kits yet or the actual embroidery design, and I received shipping notification that it's on the way, but these came early. So I just wanted to show you what it's all about. So this is going to make a quilt. And so this is the fabric kit, and sorry, there's a bit of a glare. Um, and so as you can see, it's going to make this lovely little quilt. So wall hanging quilt. It's not going to be a lap size quilt, but it shows, all of the really, really sweet Kimberbell stuff. And the embellishment kit is just so cute. So, there's a little sun hat, and then in the embellishment kit, there's a little ribbon bow that sticks out. These picnic baskets, the soda pop, and I'm sure, what they've been doing lately is putting like the vinyl on top of the soda pop so that they look like they're in glass bottles. And, it's Kimberbell. There's always going to be like really, really sweet embellishments. There is also, from what I understand, there is one piece of fabric. So it's this pattern. It's this exact fabric in the kits, and it's just a border. And so there is a cutting error. The cutting error happened at Maywood Studios, and it doesn't sound like they're actually going to do anything to fix it. So what they did was, what you need is, because it's this border cut, you need a long cut, and they gave you like a fat quarter cut. So what you'll have to do is cut that piece of material and sew it end to end so that you get the length to do your borders, and to be able to have that length to be able to put the borders on the embroidery machine to get the background quilting. So, but you can reach out to us at any time and ask us questions about that and stuff if you're a little bit confused. But you will have enough fabric. It's just not cut in a long cut. It's cut in a fat quarter. But anyways, getting a little bit off topic. So here is the beautiful little decorative quilt that you can make out of it. I'll just pop open the case here to show you. So it's all packaged nicely by Maywood Studios. So you'll have like picture of your design plus all of the fabrics required to finish the quilt top. So this will go up on the site when I get the other two items, the embellishment kit, and you will need the embroidery design. So I will put those up. I did not order the thread kits this time. I ordered them for Sweetheart Street, but I did not order them this time. So if that is something that you're interested in as well, then you can just shoot me an email at info@soobsessed.ca. And if you'd like to know what the pricing is, and if you would like me to bring in that thread set for you, then just send us an email. But watch out for this. It's going to go up on the site as soon as we get all of the pieces. It will probably be next week, to be fair, because that is when the release date is. But here's just a little sneak peek at this. So I'm Jen from So Obsessed. Our store is at soobsessed.ca, SEWOBSESSED.ca. So please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching.